Syed Jibran and his housewife wife are considered one of the best couples in the Pakistani showbiz industry. They are a good couple and a good friend. His wife is not from showbiz, but he has a perfect friendship with every actor of showbiz. And that's why she appears at every party with her husband. If we talk about the age of Syed Jibran in the year 2021, then he is 41 years old. And yet, despite his advanced age, he is still fully fit and smart. And he is still cast as a hero in Pakistani dramas. And here we will tell you one thing, that after marrying Syed Jibran, now he has become a father of 3 children. Besides acting, Syed Jibran also runs his own business. He also has his own restaurant in Islamabad. He was interested in acting since childhood, so he came to acting after completing his education, because his family told him to complete his education first and then do what he has to do. And today they are added to the list of successful actors. But in today's article, we will see that Syed Jibran is celebrating his wife's 38th birthday, and both the husband and wife are very happy on this occasion, while his wife's best friend is also present at the birthday party. And his wife chose to wear a green suit on her birthday, in which she looks absolutely fairy. So let's take a look at some beautiful pictures of his birthday party. Don't forget to congratulate Syed Jibran's wife Syed Jibran on her 30th birthday. Thanks.